Most people think they are making their own choices. They think they decided on their career, their partner, and their morning routine. But if you look closely, you'll notice your life keeps repeating the same pattern. The faces change, the jobs change, but the results stay the same. In reality transurfing, we call this being captured. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 signs that you are living in a pre-programmed script. And more importantly, how to start the process of unplugging. Sign number 1, the loop. Do you ever feel like you're having the same argument with different people? Or you hit the same financial ceiling no matter how hard you hustle? Vadam Zeland calls these pendulums. The Gnostics call them archons. These are energetic structures that have written a script for you. They don't want you to succeed. They want you to be reactive. Because as long as you are reacting, getting angry, anxious, or even overly excited, you are feeding the script with your energy. You aren't choosing your life. The script is choosing your emotions. Sign number 2, the energy drain. If you feel like you are rowing against life every single day, you are in a survival script. This is the buy me trap. You've been told that to get what you want, you have to fight, push, and force. But in the Reality Lifeline Academy protocol, we know that inner intention, your personal willpower, is exactly what the simulation wants you to use. It's high friction, it's exhausting, and it's how the system harvests your attention. A true navigator knows if the door is locked, you don't kick it down. You look for the one that's already open. Sign number 3, the wait mentally. If you are waiting for permission, waiting for the bank account to change, waiting for the boss to notice you, or for the universe to give you a sign, this is the mirror trap. You are standing in front of the mirror of reality, waiting for the reflection to smile first. But physics doesn't work that way. The script is designed to make you wait until you give up. An oracle understands that you don't wait for the reflection. You authorize the image now, and you understand the law of delay as it renders into the physical world. In my 10-week program, I teach people how to become sovereign navigators, learning to steer through these scripts without getting hooked. But for those ready for the red pill, we go deeper. We move into the oracle state. This is where you stop navigating the simulation and start understanding the source code that builds it. You move from the gray book of necessity into the gold archive of selection. You stop wanting, you stop hoping, and you start intending. If you recognize these 3 signs, you aren't broken. You've just been following a script you didn't write. It's time to take the wheel. I've put the links to our navigator orientation in the first comment below. I'm giving you the keys to the gateway. Come and learn how to identify your specific scripts and start the process of re-rendering your reality. The simulation only has power as long as you stay asleep. It's time to wake up. I'm Bob Randklev. I'll see you on the other side.